Colors, a pretty cool thing, but ever wonder what it would be like if you couldn't see the full spectrum of colors? That's how someone who is colorblind has to see life every day. First, to understand how someone is colorblind, you need to understand how the eye views color and light. The retina plays a crucial role in seeing light and color. The retina is located in the back of your eye and is a thin layer of tissue. Its purpose is to take the light received from the lens of your eye, turn it into neural signals, and send those signals to the brain for visual recognition. Photoreceptors are cells that turn light into signals for the brain. There are two types of them, rods and cones. The rods are responsible for vision at low light levels and do not include seeing color. The cones are responsible for vision at high light levels and do include seeing color. Now a quick pre-quiz. Is colorblindness only one mutation, or are there different forms of it? If you said option number 2, you are correct. There are 3 main categories for types of color blindnesses, the first being red-green color blindnesses. Proteanomaly is where the red cone photopigment is abnormal. Another one is proteanopia. This is where there are no red cones that work at all. Another one is deuteranomaly. This is where the green cone is abnormal. The last red-green disorder is deuteranopia. This is where the green cone cells don't work at all. The other category is blue-yellow color blindness. Tritanomaly is where your blue cone cells are limited, but they still function. Tritanopia is where you don't have any blue cone cells at all. They are both extremely rare. The last category is monochromacy, which means complete color blindness. Cone monochromacy is where 2 out of 3 of your cone cells don't work. Rod monochromacy, otherwise known as achromatopsia, is when none of the cone cells have functional photopigments, and it's the most severe type of color blindness because they only see the world in gray, black, and white. Now that you know all the different types of color blindnesses, I'll explain how they are inherited. Color blindness is a hereditary condition that is passed down from your parents on your X chromosome. Now let's review genetics. Chromosomes contain genes, which are instructions to your body. When someone has a mutation on the gene that has the instructions for your retina or your vision, that gene does not include a certain cone or it might not work properly. The reason men are more likely to be colorblind is because the mutation only has to be on one of their chromosomes, while for women it has to be on both of their chromosomes. Although the majority of people who are colorblind are born with it, there are some cases where people acquire over time due to physical or chemical damage in the eye or your brain. Thanks for watching!